Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare capsicum and paneer, a very easy side dish that goes well with lunch or dinner. Here I have around 5 capsicum and I have removed the seeds. All we need to do is roughly chop them in your desired size and shape.
The Pasha. Today I'm making capsicum. Capsicum is green in color.
Whenever I'm in the kitchen and Rian is awake, I also bring him in the kitchen and he simply enjoys watching me go here and there, do this and that. And it's always a good idea because I can talk to him, I can show him different things, and I just keep telling him what I'm doing, what I'm using. So he also feels engaged and he just stays there nicely. And while talking to him, I'm done chopping the capsicum as well. Over here, I'm heating up a frying pan and will add mustard oil into this. We'll spread the oil, and once oil is heated up, I'm adding pinch of jeera. Adding 2 dried red chilies, and now we'll add 2 roughly chopped onions. Allow it to cook until golden brown. Now I will add the capsicum, turmeric, salt as per taste, and pinch of black pepper powder. Give everything a good mix and allow it to cook in low flame. Here capsicum is almost cooked. At this point I will add the paneer pieces, give this another mix, and once we are done we'll switch off the flame and it is ready to be served. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.